Hi, today we are going to be sorting socks. So we just did some laundry. These are some clean socks. So we're going to take the socks out of the laundry basket and I'm going to put them on the table so I can sort them out. And take those out and put my laundry basket over here on the other side so I can work in a left to right fashion and finish. So I've got all my socks here on the table. Let's see this. So some of them are pretty easy. Striped one goes with another striped one. So I'm going to try and match them one on top of the other. And I'm just going to fold it. And this is a long sock, so I'm going to fold it again. So there's one folded pair of socks together. I'm going to put it in my laundry basket, folded, so I can then bring it into the bedroom and put it away. Here's fluffy sock, and goes with, find my other fluffy sock right in here. And I'm going to straighten that out and put them one right on top of the other with the top opening together and the toes together. And that one, I'm just going to fold once and kind of push down so it'll stay together. One fold, put it in my basket on top of the other sock. Let's see. Here's one that I might be able to find a pair to. There we go. Put those together. I can hold one hand down, bring the other hand up and over to fold that in half. Push down. Another sock folded, ready for the laundry basket. Let's see, here's a dark sock. Put that down flat. Here's another one that matches that one. I'm going to kind of make sure that's flattened out, put it right on top. Hold my hand down, fold that top over, push down. One more pair. Ready for my laundry basket. Let's see, here's a little pair. I'm going to make sure that the heels of the sock are to the same side. It doesn't really matter though too much, as long as the two are the same together. Fold it. Put it in my laundry basket. Okay, here's a pair here that has some gray on the toes, so we'll find the matching one to that. Here we go. Put them together, fold it over and push down. Put it in my basket. I think I'm on my last pair. I have one here and they match. Put my matches together, fold it over. Sometimes with especially short socks like this, I'll fold them over and then put one hand inside the foot of the other and flip that sock inside. And sometimes that way they stay together and don't come apart when you put them away. But that's a little trickier to do. So you can either fold it or you can fold it just in half like we did with the others, or fold the one side inside out, keep that together. Put that in your basket. And our socks are folded. Good job doing that functional daily activity. Chores around the house are a great way to learn all of our functional daily living skills. Bye.